What up to all those loners and the zoners? Back again to finesse the sketch. John Eli Lopez on a mission to get you closer to being the king or the queen of the pencil. And today I'll be taking you through an easy to follow guide to drawing noses. Let's get started. Okay, first and foremost, I want you to understand the nose is basically broken down into four main parts. One would be the tip of the nose. Two would be the nostrils. Three will be the wings of the nose, the cartilage surrounding the nostrils. And number four will be the columella, and that lies directly under the tip of the nose. So no matter what shape, style, size of nose you are doing, it all revolves around these four main pieces that you will alter to get that effect of the type of nose you're trying to do. So as I begin here, I'm basically making sure I get the shape of the nose in. And as I begin, I'm making a straight line across because you want your nostrils and the wings of your nose to line up. You want everything to line up straight. You don't want a lopsided nose, right? So I'm making sure I'm getting the basic overall shape in. And it's all a delicate dance. So once I have the size of the nostrils, that determines the size of the wings that surrounds the nostrils. So now I'm defining the tip of the nose. And the tip of the nose protrudes out, so behind it lies shadows. So as I'm happy with the tip of the nose, I darken in the nostrils and getting that going. And it's all a shadow and light game. So the way we are doing this drawing here, the light source is coming from the front of the nose, so the nostril and the wings that surround it lies on the bottom of the nose. So there will be a casted shadow over the nostril and the bottom part of the wings of the nose. So I'm just making sure and getting those pieces in there. The columella, adding a little shadow under there. Once I'm happy with that, now I'm defining the tip of the nose. And I watch a lot of videos online, and they really get deep into shading and value scales and adding value. In this video, I'm using a number 2 pencil. And when you use one type of pencil, you are stuck on the fundamentals. You must get these values with that one pencil. And once again, I'm not knocking graphic pencils, because you could still take one graphic pencil and do the same thing also. But I know, everyone has a number 2 pencil on hand. So for you beginner artists, amateur artists, you have the tools you need to start building your skills up. And as you see, I'm going back and forth. I'm getting my shadow in, and then I'm coming back with the eraser. And there you have it. That is a wider nose I just finished right there. Now we're going to try to tuck it in a little more, and will be the columella. I'm swooped down a little more. And as you see, I'm getting that straight line in. And I'm trying to line my nostrils up. And always be mindful when you're doing your whatever drawing you're working on. It's always good to, take a step back and look at what you're doing. That's why I always say what's up to those alone in the zone because you are zoned out. Art making, illustration, drawing, these are type things, painting. You get lost in the creative part of it. Sometimes you don't even remember to just step back and stop, stop working for a minute and just observe. So as the columella swoops down, that brings the tip of the nose down. So shadow, back to erasing. And as you see, this nose is definitely formed already. And there you have it. That one is down. The first two noses, I would categorize those as more male, but it all depends on what type of look you're looking for on your female or male. Now I'm doing more, I would say, cute type of nose. The noses I'm doing, I would say, is more on a cute level. I'm going to try to keep them a little smaller. And keep it more curvy. So there we go, the wings and the nose. Remember, whatever size the nostril, that is going to determine the shape of the wings. So always remember, the tip of the nose, all these elements come together to form the look of the person you're doing. Some people have big noses, the tip would stick out more, skinny noses. Such a variety. But once you pay attention to those four elements and how you place them and shape them, you should be all right. And art, drawing is something, you take each skill as, you tackle each skill at a time. So in this video, I want you to just more focus on the shapes and coming up with different styles of noses and understand the shading process. But you don't have to get too deep with the shading. More concentrate on understanding, getting a legitimate looking nose and all your parts are evened out, defined. That one is down. We're going to do another one where the columella just comes down slightly more and the nostrils just a little tighter. Still, I would put this more feminine. But of course, depending on the size, how wide, how long you do it. And you already see the shape of this type of nose that I'm doing here. All four pieces coming together. Adding a little shadow behind the wings. Erasing that tip. Columella. Wasn't too happy with the wings there, so I decided let me just tuck them in a little more. Tuck those wings in a little more. And there we go. The shading is coming together. I thought that Columella was a little long, so I tucked that in a little bit. That's a fun word to say. Columella. Yes. We are approaching the final touches. Tuck that in a little bit. Try to get the nose a little more cute. And there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, stomp out that subscribe button. Hit the like button. Leave a comment. Any feedback is appreciated. So until next time, John Eli Lopez signing out. Y'all be safe and be good.